Why do LED ceiling lights flicker?
Hello everyone! Today, we are going to unravel the mystery behind flickering LED ceiling lights. LED lights are energy efficient, long-lasting, and bright, but sometimes, you might notice them flicker. Let's discuss why this happens.
What causes LED lights to flicker?
LED lights flicker due to several reasons. Let's break them down. 1. Incompatibility with dimmers. If your LED lights are not compatible with the dimmer switches in your home, they might flicker when you try to adjust their brightness. 2. Loose connections. Another common cause of flickering LED lights is loose or improper wiring. This could be in the light fixture itself or in the power supply connecting to the lights. 3. Fluctuations in voltage. If the electrical supply to your home is inconsistent, your LED lights might flicker. This is especially common in areas where the electrical infrastructure is old or unstable. 4. Faulty LED driver. In LED fixtures, a component called the LED driver converts incoming AC power to the DC power that LEDs use. If this component is faulty, it could cause your lights to flicker.
How can you fix flickering LED ceiling lights?
Now that we've identified the potential causes, let's see how we can address them. 1. Check compatibility with dimmers. Make sure your LED lights and dimmers are compatible. If they're not, consider replacing either the dimmer or the lights. 2. Inspect for loose connections. Check your light fixture and its wiring. If there are any loose connections, ensure they are tightened. 3. Stabilize voltage. If you suspect that voltage fluctuations are causing the problem, a voltage stabilizer or regulator could be a solution. 4. Replace faulty LED driver. If you have narrowed down the problem to a faulty LED driver, you may need to replace it. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing these things yourself, it's always best to call in a professional electrician. And there you have it. Flickering LED lights can be a nuisance, but with a bit of detective work, it's a problem that's often easy to solve. By understanding the cause of the flickering, you can apply the right solution and enjoy your LED lights to the fullest. Always remember safety is paramount, so if you're in doubt, seek professional help. Thanks for watching and we hope you found this video helpful.